Welcome back to another mukbang.
Hello.
Hi. How is it going, guys? Today is the same menu like the other day. A little bit different. Singju is there with a video like how we made. More herbs. Right?
Back by my popular demand. I wanted to eat this again. You see?
Yeah, he loves it. His cousin brother loves it too. And here, yen Kanghou fried chicken. Just completely fried today.
As
per
my taste.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course.
Why?
Here, lentils and charred greens. But it's not very appealing.
Yes.
I think. Here, honey.
Cool. I'll pour myself a salad.
Yeah. I have to look. What kind of meat would you like?
Now she needs to find.
Just if you find any bones, just give it to me,
no,
okay, honey?
Good.
There you go.
Give me the little bit.
Yes. Lentils and charred greens. African Americans' favorite vegetables.
Thank you. Here, take some salad.
Thank you.
Boom.
This is mostly for you. There you go. I'm good. Thanks. No, I'll take it, honey. Thank you.
Well, guys. Now.
It's been raining the whole day. In the morning, there was a hailstorm. Yeah, I'll stop. There was a hailstorm. There was a hailstorm in the morning. I was like, oh no. All the tomatoes gonna die in the farm, and then it stopped.
Well, it was a small hailstorm.
Yeah, really just a small one.
But the whole day the weather is cloudy. It's not really inspirational.
And rainy.
Even Bella doesn't want to go outside.
She didn't want to go outside. The bone. A lot of you say that about Bella, we're not giving her anything, but she's always full. We always feed her.
And also, this is a very spicy food. She's not supposed to eat this spicy food. It's not good for her at all. But, so, we are not giving her the food that we are eating. We are giving her on the side. When you see before or after, don't worry, she is fat. She is fat, so.
Honey, it's just 3.5.
3.5, yes.
That's perfectly normal for her. 3.5.
Yes.
3.5 kilos. So that's normal for her. She's okay. If you own a pet, then you will know that they're always hungry. It's not that we don't care about her. We have to
care
always
about her. We have to care about her. You're right, baby. This is mostly for me.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. We should make this to my father. He would love this too.
You think so? My father-in-law loves salad too, but it's spicy, like us.
I think he would love it.
Any salad that I make on the farm, he always likes it, but I'm not sure about this, the perilla, the flavor, the aroma.
Love it.
You like the Kanghou? She did yen Kanghou later, she did.
Excellent.
Maji yambame, yambame. Rồi là bà mẹ, rồi mà nó khoai được bằm là bây giờ bone, meat cái bone too.
Yeah.
And muscle, the scooshes, the fats.
I'm sensitive.
Vegetables is low in the bà mẹ.
Anything for vegetables.
Yesterday that someone said it's not chak and bomba, it's chak and bomba.
Chakan?
It's not E, it's not A, it's
Chakan.
chakam.
Chakan bomba.
Chakam bomba.
I apologize.
Yeah.
Chakan bomba.
That was our first time, by the way. They were so surprised that you were eating the fermented soybean.
Oh yeah. That's something I learned with my wife, and I love it. Here's my love.
Thank you. The hawaijar show tum chaye. You can eat AXONE, everything.
Vegetables, anything.
As long as it's vegetables.
And cheese. Anything.
But when it comes to meat, we will have a lot of rules and restrictions.
Well, as I told you once, I can eat everything, but I just want to enjoy. And picking the bones for me, personally, is not enjoying. So, because I like to devour. This is all yours, baby.
Thank you. And some of them says that if you are not comfortable eating with hands, then you can eat with utensils. They are very okay with that.
To be honest with you, I kind of like it. Because it makes you closer to the food. You can feel what you're eating. So you don't have to be... Like when I was a young boy, I would be, you know, not trying anything, but now, when I touch it with my fingers, when I see what's inside, this and that, then I know when I put it in my mouth, it's good. So that's why eating kind is good. But thank you. I'm not suffering, don't worry.
This is good today.
Excellent, baby.
Mashidi mahi yaudre. No liquid today.
No liquid.
Even if you don't like the chicken, you can eat
the sauce.
Sauteed onion and garlic.
Oh, onion and garlic.
We both love garlic and onion.
That's why we can kiss afterwards. Okay, I have a creative mess here.
By the way, the pea shoots in here, hawai maton too, from the farm. The vlog's coming up for that, from the farm.
Do you have anything? No. Friends are calling.
Her neighbor, her friend.
Good.
Singju the hapa tuiningkhok too. Igi mother-in-law kine. Mana leine haina pava.
What you say?
I said the leaf, one of the leaves, the chameleon plant. Your mother planted them like thinking that it's a flower. It is a beautiful flower, but she didn't know that we eat them, the leaves.
Yeah. So you see, people are drawn to the plant. Wait, what's up?
Are you okay?
Excellent. I love it. I'm good. I'm enjoying my
Salad?
salad and my rice. It's a combination. I love that combination. I'm sorry. If my mom watches, I'm sorry. We'll try to delete.
More rice, guys.
More rice.
Really?
Wow.
You like it that much, honey?
I love this a lot.
Ready?
Excellent. The perilla seeds are really making a difference. Like they're giving the heaviness of the salad.
It's just different, right? The aroma. He brought it from America, the
Merca.
the perilla seeds. We don't have it here.
Greetings for my American friends.
Scott. Remember Scott?
Scott, yeah. Huh. If you ever watch this, Scott, remember the days.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Aureka.
Howre. Howre, howre.
Singju. Kanghou.
Hey, baby, this is really good.
Everything is a bomb, yeah?
Well, I will not use that term, but
Why?
well,
Why not?
it's better.
What do you mean?
It's an explosion, and then the implosion.
There's no such thing as implosion.
Oh, of course there is. This was excellent. Really good.
Sida hawai maton hapadu. Aigi mother-in-law da haibane to grow Singju gi for Singju. That is so bad.
Yeah?
The way I explained. The pea shoots in this salad. I asked my mother-in-law to grow there, not to eat the beans, but so that I can pluck it and make a Singju out of it.
Yeah. Singju only plant. It's time for me to make fun of myself and pronounce your names correctly or wrongly. This was easy. Okay, and now it's time for shout-outs. Now you will help me with the last name, baby, but this is your handwriting. Suzanne Rianne.
Suzanne.
Suzanne Rianne.
Riame.
Riame. Okay, Suzanne Rianne. Riame.
Yeah, I think so, Riame.
And then the next one is Marcel Saldu. Marcel, how are you?
Big fan of Bella.
Yeah? Bella, come here. Or not.
Always asking about Bella.
She's so obedient, as you can see. Next one is Liani198.
I don't know if that's the way she said her name. Lani or Liani?
Or 198.
198.
Yes. Liani. Luani. Okay, 198. And then Shaul. Shaul, what's this, baby?
Try.
I don't know what's this letter. R?
The first name is not correct the way you say that.
Shavil. Well, I will pronounce it French. Shavil. Shavil.
Shavule.
Shavule. Ah, Shavule. What is this? R?
W.
That's W. Avole.
Shavule awale.
Ah, Shavule Avole. Yeah.
We just shouted her name like a couple of videos ago.
Yeah.
And she said that
Avole. Okay.
she liked the way we said her name, so she's asking for another shout out.
Shavule Avole. It's like poetic.
I know. Shavule awale.
And that's it, yeah, baby? Cool. The little book of shout out is closed.
Why did you finish so early today?
Because I was devouring the salad. I was not fighting. I was getting it. Anyway. Because I finished earlier because I was hungry. Just to let you know. I'm starving. I want to eat everything.
Don't believe a word he said, guys, yeah?
Yes. Like a little. Bella, touch that. Touch it. Touch it. Touch. No? No. It's time to wrap this up.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And if you like this mukbang, what is mukbang today, honey? What is it called?
Singju.
Singju?
Singju. Your
Yen Kanghou?
Yen Kanghou, and I don't know this.
Lentil.
I know lentils, boiled lentils, but I thought that was a name. Yes.
Right.
If you like this Singju,
Yen
Kanghou and lentils, give us
do
a thumbs
not
up.
forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already did, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we put up a new video. And check out our not new.
Wow, the new video on our vlog.
Yeah, the other videos down below the description box, and
just keep on reading down. There.
Follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, and check out our vlog. We just posted a new video, and more videos coming up. So see you in the next mukbang. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Bye.
Have a lovely day. Bye.
Say bye. Come say bye.